Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create multiple channels under one account. And this is very simple. Alright, first log into your Google account because you need to create one Google account, and after that you can create multiple channels. So right now if I tap on my profile logo just right there and I go to switch account, there's an option where it says view all channels. Now, if we go to this stage just right here and we tap on create channel, we have the option to create a channel name. So now if I do help me out too, we can do I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history, create. And right now we just created a new channel on the same email address right here. And yeah, just to be sure, make sure that you created a Gmail account or a Google account. And after that, you can create a lot of channels on the way how I show you this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. If you have questions, please comment them below. And then for now, thanks for watching.